Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a physical card on Revolut. So to get a physical card on Revolut, first navigate to home at the bottom menu, then click on the card icon in the top right corner, then click on add new. Next, click on physical. Here, you will need to choose which card you would like to order. You got the standard, you got the platinum, you got the metal, you got the premium plus, and the special edition 24K gold plated. Once you have chosen the card, click on Get Card. Next, it will ask you to create a PIN, so create the PIN, then confirm the PIN. Next, it's going to ask you to confirm if this is the correct delivery address. Click on Yes, send to this address. Then it's going to ask you to verify your address. So if the address is correct, click on Use this address, and lastly, it's going to ask you to complete your order by paying for the card. If you would like to change your payment method, simply click on Change and choose the payment method that you would like to use, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.